to personality that we've been waiting for, one and only Mr. W.B. Gill. For you.
Hello. Can everybody hear me? Yes. Something makes me feel, as I have already said, that you have already had enough. You have already been given a very strong dose of extremely useful bits of advice and extremely thought-provoking ideas. And I must thank the CEO, ELC, for giving me the opportunity to address such distinguished participants. All of you, senior builders of this nation, and some extremely promising youngsters who have the vision to mold the destiny of this nation. Because you have already been told by Mr. Kashif Mahmood that teachers are the builders. We all are builders. We build personalities. All of us, when we go to our classes every day, on our turn, of course, we participate, we contribute our bit to the making of personalities. We contribute our bit to the making of personalities. It means that as we need to know what exactly are the qualities of a good teacher. But today I don't mean to dilate on, talk about the qualities of a good teacher. In fact, I wanted to give you a brief overview of language teaching, history of language teaching. But before I embark on this subject, when all of you were talking about your daily timetables, and Mr. Kashif Mahmood, wanted me to comment on it, and I said, okay, I'll be doing it when my turn comes. He even quoted a line from Frost, I have miles to go before I sleep. The sleep in this line is not the ordinary sleep that we enjoy every day. It is most probably the everlasting sleep, eternal sleep that we are all destined to experience at the end of this mortal existence of ours. The will to work, the zest to continue working, and maybe some of you know Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The day he died, he was working at his table and there was a slip lying at his table, and on that slip he had written a line, and that line was, I have miles to go before I sleep. This is how great people, who mold the destinies of nations, they work. I mean no politics, but I know that Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, he worked for 22 hours out of 24. And Agha Shahi, an extremely experienced diplomat in those days, he said, I wonder, when does he sleep? This is miles to go before I sleep. It means that he had a vision. He wanted to see it realized in his lifetime. Vision and mission. These are things that keep us going. Often I used to wonder more than I do now, maybe that wondering capacity is on its decline, that most of my colleagues who teach 10 hours, 12 hours daily, some of them keep working till 10 o'clock at night. Teach, private teaching. It's good, educating people. But when do they have time to educate themselves? Do they study? Do they manage to spare time to educate themselves? All of us, need to give it a second thought. You were talking about your timetables. Very good. It's good being honest. It's good being straightforward. You are all being very straightforward. And you said, you told your daily timetables. All of us have our daily timetables. I too have my daily timetable. But a big chunk of time out of my timetable has got to be devoted to my personal study. If I want to increase my capacity as a teacher. After all, and I'm not talking about bits that I have acquired from books. After all, what do we expect of a teacher? We expect a teacher to be extremely knowledgeable. We expect him to know a great deal so that when we go to him to seek advice on various topics, he should be able to advise us. Very correct. We expect him to be knowledgeable. But where shall knowledge come from? You have been listening to an extremely useful, thought-provoking talk regarding progress in business. Ideas. And the gentleman was telling us that ideas sell. Ideas are important. Ideas sell. I did not feel like interrupting him, but the question was agitating in my mind. Where do ideas come from? Where do ideas come from? Well, we have all at one or the other stage been thinking about these things. Where do ideas come from? I have also been thinking about where do ideas come from? And maybe talk about this on different occasions. We keep talking about, and this is what we did in first half of our session, we talked about analytical reasoning, analytical thinking, and most of these educational institutions, they talk about these things. There is almost a rat race propagating these, extremely attractive slogans. What are we distinguished for? Analytical reasoning, analytical thinking. And when I happen to be in my literature classes, I tell my students that what matters at the end of the day is not memorizing what different renowned critics have got to say about different great personalities, their opinions. If you simply reproduce their opinions, it's no big deal. What matters is, what is your opinion? If you have been reading different critics, say on Milton, or if you have been reading different critics, say on the novelist Jane Austen, you quote different critics. Shakespeare, for instance, you quote different critics. But what matters at the end of the day is what is your opinion? What is your own opinion? It means the emphasis has got to be on making people creative. Creativity is what matters, and ideas relate to being creative. Ideas, reading books. Yes, many believe ideas will come from books. And sometimes when you read a book, you do not feel like agreeing to everything that has been said in that book. Sometimes you have got something different to say, and that something different gives birth to a new book. That means you have come out with another idea. Differing with people. Questioning. And in our context, being teachers, ideas come from questions. Questions. I remember maybe 30 years ago, I had a student, it was around 2001, when we had that incident in America. A student of mine, yes, Twin Tower. A student of mine who was teaching at the city school, she went to America to receive further degrees. But why am I remembering her? I gave her an assignment. The assignment was a a question on Macbeth. Macbeth is a play by Shakespeare. But she, being a BA literature student, she came out with an extremely new idea. And that day I got to know, I could see that this girl is going to be something, accomplish something in the long run. She went to America, she got her PhD, and she is working there now. Ideas. But what is it that can enable us to have new, original, gainful, winsome ideas? दिल जीतने वाले, तख्लीक कर लेने वाले आइडियाज कहां से आएंगे? I, being a student of literature, and literature is one of the arts. Most of you who have been literature students, you would agree with me that literature is an art. And what is art? Art means making use of your imaginative faculties to create something beautiful. जब आप अपनी क़ुव्वत तख़य्युल को कुछ खूबसूरत तख्लीक करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो फिर आप आर्टिस्ट हैं. कुछ खूबसूरत, हम खूबसूरत शख्सियतें तामीर करने के लिए अपनी आर्टिस्टिक सलाहियतों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं बीइंग टीचर्स. लेकिन अदबी तख्लीकात में, जिसे हम फन पारे कहते हैं, फन पारे वो भी तो बनाते हैं हम. Some of us happen to be poets, some happen to be novelists, some happen to be short story writers. हम भी क्रिएट करते हैं, लेकिन ये हम कैसे करते हैं, कभी आपने सोचा? सबसे अहम बात यह है कि if in today's world, be it a corporate world or the world of education, what matters is having new ideas. The gentleman was full of ideas. Very good, sir. I appreciate. Being creative, being able to advise us all, and giving them, the motivation to start their own businesses. You have done a great deal of community work today. But ideas, where do ideas come from? Where do they come from? Let me give you a very simple rule. We have already been thinking about it on different occasions. Observation. Observation. Ideas come from observation. Observe and use your brains. Do not move about in the world with your eyes shut to the beauties around, shut to the phenomena around. मज़ाहिर फितरत जो इर्द गिर्द फैले हुए हैं, उनके दरमियान से आंखें बंद करके ना गुजर जाएं. गैर जरूरी इस्तेमाल भी ना करें आंखों का. But don't move about with your eyes shut to the beauties of nature. You have got to ponder over the beauties of nature. When Wordsworth passed by daffodils, he said, later on he got so inspired, so thrilled. He said, whenever on my couch I lie, in vacant awe, in pensive mood. In vacant awe, in pensive mood. They flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. Inward eye, the eye of imagination. Imagination is made use of in literary pursuits as well as in business pursuits. Imagination. Ideas relate to the capacity to imagine, to be able to imagine. But is it all God-given, or could it possibly be groomed, cultivated? We were talking about the fact that you have to be, it has been ages old, discussion, controversy, nature versus nurture. You were talking about skills. The very word, in my opinion, skill, I have not yet started talking about the history of language teaching. The very word skill, in my opinion, has something to do with doing things practically, physically. Skill, and then you improve. I keep telling my students that degrees won't get you a good job. There are so many people, roaming about with degrees and language, they cannot write even a good paragraph. एक अच्छा पैराग्राफ लिखना नहीं आता. They have got MA degrees, MPhil degrees, MPhil. Students, जब हम सोचते हैं नहीं है ना, गौर नहीं करते हैं, we begin to take things for granted. ये तो है ही है. मैंने एक MPhil कैंडिडेट से पूछा, who had come for interview seeking a job. I said, what is the difference between muhatab and muhatib? Muhatab and muhatib. And unluckily she did not know the difference. Muhatab, आप सारे मेरे मुहातब हैं. You are all my addressees. मैं आपसे मुहातिब हूं. मैं आपसे मुहातिब हूं. If after your MPhil you cannot tell me the difference between muhatab and muhatib, if after your MPhil you cannot tell me satisfactorily the meaning of the first verse in दीवाने गालिब, नक्श फरियादी है, अगर उस शेर को हम मुतमन नहीं कर सकते, इसके माने क्या हुए कि हमने सोचा नहीं है, डिग्री ली है. डिग्रीज वोंट हेल्प यू बी कंपेटिटिव इन टुडेज. आज की दुनिया में जो वो उस दिन भी मैं बच्चों से कहना चाह रहा था, मेरे ख्याल था वक्त थोड़ा है. आज की दुनिया में जो सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल है, अभी हम कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर के हवाले से भी यही बात कर रहे थे, इट्स एन एक्सट्रीमली कंपेटिटिव वर्ल्ड. एक्सट्रीमली कंपेटिटिव. Such a competition that it is likely to, you have to be through it, other, you are likely to get smothered. ऐसा competition है जो आपका गला घूंट के रख देगा. And many young students, in different advanced countries, when they fail to get, desired grades, because of competition, they commit suicide. They commit suicide. It means that it's a difficult world. And in this difficult world, again, what can enable you to survive, as you have been listening to that lecture on business acumen and business activities, ways to enhance your dividends. What matters is your skill and your ability and your ideas. Force yourself to think. My recipe is, अगर आप पूछेंगे सर बातें तो हो गई कि आइडियाज कहाँ से आते हैं, मैंने कहा ऑब्जर्वेशन से आते हैं. फिर मैं क्या कहूँ? मैं कहूँ बैठ जाएं और सोचें. बैठ जाएं और सोचें. I remember about 2 decades ago, I started writing an essay, and in 3 hours I could write, because I wanted it to be good. In 3 hours, I could write only a page. I wanted it to be good. It was published in the news later on. Because if you want it to be good, then you have to work on it. I went home, and for nights, maybe 6-7 nights, I thought about that topic and then made that essay complete. It means that when you are in solitude, Wordsworth's solitude, your imagination gets stirred in solitude. क़ुव्वत तहय्युल भी बेदार होती है तख्लिये में, खामोशी में, सुकून में. किताबें पढ़ने से आइडियाज मिलेंगे. हम कभी कभी अग्री करेंगे, कभी कभी इख्तलाफ करेंगे. बुरहान और काते बुरहान जैसी, फिर काते बुरहान पढ़ के काते बुरहान जैसी किताब वजूद में आएगी. She will agree with me. जब आप एक चीज से अग्री नहीं करोगे तो आप एक दूसरी किताब लेके आएंगे. दूसरी किताब लेके आएंगे तो डिसएग्रीमेंट करते हुए भी आपने कुछ नए आइडियाज पेश किए हैं, लेकिन उसकी वजह कौन सी चीज बनी है? वो पहली किताब जो आपने पढ़ी. रीडिंग गिव्स यू आइडियाज, ऑब्जर्वेशन गिव्स यू आइडियाज, thinking gives you ideas, and then interaction with knowledgeable people around. I don't mean to flatter both of you, but I'm being very honest. I feel highly enriched. Your talks were extremely suggestive. I got many useful ideas. Many useful ideas. It means that we should be willing to receive and think. Because ये जो बहस है कि क्या हम वो स्किल्स लेके आए हैं ऊपर से या हम उनको ग्रूम भी कर सकते हैं, पैदा भी कर सकते हैं, ये तो एजेस ओल्ड डिस्कशन है, नेचर वर्सेस नर्चर। नेचर ने हमें दे के भेजा है या हम उनको नर्चर भी कर सकते हैं, उनको ग्रूम भी कर सकते हैं, उनको हार्नेस भी कर सकते हैं, उनको ग्रो भी कर सकते हैं, उनको पॉलिश भी कर सकते हैं। तो मैं भी इसके ऊपर बड़े साल सोचता रहा हूं, बिकॉज आई हैपन टू बी द ओल्डेस्ट इन दिस गैदरिंग। I have been thinking about it for years, that those people who are talented and they succeed, is it because they have been endowed by the Almighty with different qualities? Yes, they have been endowed by the Almighty. A poet can be a born poet, but a teacher, he can be a born teacher, but he has got to groom his teaching skills. He has got to groom his teaching skills. And then, when we have a high ideal, my teacher, when I was an intermediate student, biology teacher, he used to say, a man who aims at the stars shoots higher than one who aims at a tree. A man who aims at a star shoots higher than one who aims at a tree. उसका निशाना सितारे तक नहीं जाएगा, लेकिन उसका निशाना उस दरख्त पर निशाना बांधने वाले शख्स से यकीनन ऊंचा जाएगा. It means that we have to have high ideals. आप सब लोगों को अपने टीचिंग करियर में, हम सबको, I happen to be luckily or unluckily at the fag end of my career, but you have got your careers ahead. आपको उसके अंदर आगे चलने की कोशिश करनी है और अपनी सलाहियतों को बढ़ाना है, उनको ग्रूम करना है, स्किल करना है. कहते हैं there is always room at the top. There is always room at the top. And I often say that we have got more than 1,500 registered lawyers in the Sialkot Bar. 1500 से ज़्यादा registered lawyers हैं हमारी सियालकोट की बार में. लेकिन किसी से पूछें फौजदारी के अच्छे वकला कितने हैं, तो 2 या 3 नाम लेके वो बंदा खामोश हो जाएगा. दीवानी के, सिविल साइड के अच्छे वकला कितने हैं, तो 2 या 3 लेके वो बंदा नाम खामोश हो जाएगा. वो बंदे कौन से हैं? वो वाले बंदे हैं जो रात को देर तक पढ़ते रहते हैं, काम करते हैं. फर्क इतना ही है, सिर्फ इतना ही है. उस दिन मैं छोटी सी गुफ्तगू में कह रहा था कि हार्ड वर्क नेवर गोज अनरिवॉर्डेड. समटाइम्स यू हैव द फीलिंग दैट आई हैव बीन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड, but the Almighty doesn't seem to repay me. I'm not rewarded. Let me tell you, not today, not tomorrow, not even day after tomorrow, at one or the other stage in the course of your life, you are certainly going to be rewarded. The Almighty is just. आदल हैं वो, तो वो आपको जरूर रिवार्ड मिलेगा. हार्ड वर्क कीजिए, हम सबको करना है. और टाइम टेबल में अपना हार्डवर्क की स्लॉट बनाएं, टाइम टेबल के अंदर बनाएं. यू आर ऑल हेल्थी यंग पीपल, मोस्ट ऑफ यू हेल्थी यंग पीपल, एंड दोज ऑफ यू हु आर नॉट वेरी यंग, दे आर much younger than I am. And if I can work for 14 or 12 hours, being on the other side of 70, it shouldn't be difficult for you to continue working, for 12, 14, 15 hours. It's not at all difficult. So, have a high ideal, because as the gentleman was saying, it's a fact, damn fact. Created a star in the 19th century in Europe when Darwin gave his theory of evolution, survival of the fittest. Only the fittest survive. And this, ये खुशकिस्मती है या बदकिस्मती है कि हम तारीख के इस मरहले के ऊपर एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं आज जो है 2021 के फिटेस्ट नहीं होंगे तो मिट जाएंगे, इलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे। बैन रहने का जमाना मेरे ख्याल में नहीं रहा। You have to be competitive to be at the top. I wind up because I have the feeling, but I promise. My assigned topic today was, I'm supposed to say something about English teachers, English and English teachers and English teaching. And I wanted to give you a few bits of advice or enlighten you vis-a-vis the history of English teaching. History, brief history of English language teaching. What changes have there been occurring in the history of language teaching, and what were the factors that necessitated those changes? तब्दीलियां आई टीचिंग मैथडोलॉजी में, तो क्यों आई? क्या फैक्टर्स थे, क्या अवामल थे जो वो उन तब्दीलियों के मुहर्रक बने? वो कौन सी चीज़ें थीं, आज कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, और आज हमारी क्या ज़रूरत है? लेकिन मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये जहन में रख लीजिए, आप में से बहुत सारे माशाल्लाह शायद एमए एजुकेशन भी होंगे, एमएड भी होंगे, बीएड भी होंगे. यू हैव ऑल गॉट योर टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग, और उसमें आपने डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज टीचिंग मेथड्स भी पढ़े होंगे. लेकिन जब आप फील्ड में आए हैं तो आपने देखा है कि उनमें से कोई एक मेथड भी इन इट्स एंटायरिटी मेरे काम नहीं आ रहा. तो वहाँ क्या होगा? It means that we have got to know all those methods, and at the end of the day work out certain modifications in those methods according to my own teaching learning situation. मैं क्या हूँ, मेरी strengths और weaknesses क्या हैं, मेरी strong points क्या हैं. If somebody wants me to teach English, using English all the time, and I myself cannot do so, obviously I shall not be able to do justice to that direct or natural method. It means that I've got to go by my own teaching learning situation. Teaching learning situation के बेटे माने ये हैं कि मैं किस तरह का टीचर हूं, मुझे पता होना चाहिए. अपने साथ तो ऑनेस्ट होना चाहिए ना, अपने साथ ऑनेस्ट होना चाहिए. आई शुड नो वेयर आई स्टैंड. मुझे पता होना चाहिए मैं कहाँ खड़ा हूँ, मेरी तवानाइयाँ क्या हैं, स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या हैं और वीकनेसेस क्या हैं, मेरे वीक पॉइंट्स क्या हैं, मेरे स्ट्रांग पॉइंट्स क्या हैं. और फिर मुझे अपनी मेथडोलॉजी को देखना चाहिए कि किस तरह मैं एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, अभी ये कह के मैं बात ख़त्म करता हूँ, what matters is using an eclectic, E-C-L-E-C-T-I-C, eclectic approach. Methods are there. Grammar translation method, direct method or natural method, silent way, communicative approach, etc., etc., etc. We'll talk about these things tomorrow. But at the end of the day, what matters is preparing yourselves and working out a method of your own according to your particular learning teaching situation. This is what we call eclectic approach. Eclectic approach. And when we meet tomorrow, if you get some time, please try to enlighten me how shall we differentiate approach from method and method from technique? छोटा सा होमवर्क सिर्फ दे रहा हूँ कि अप्रोच और मेथड में क्या फ़र्क है और मेथड और टेक्निक में क्या है. काशिफ साहब बहुत शुक्रिया giving me the opportunity to address such distinguished
Jazakallah khair indeed.
participants.
We've been blessed, sir. Jazakallah khair. It's been a wonderful session, alhamdulillah. Since I enjoyed a lot because he's my teacher, I learn and I earn whatever he has taught us. You could see the product that we are the product of Mr. Gill. Whatever we are teaching you, imparting anything, this is what he has taught us. We have gathered each and every information when we were there in Murray College, particularly in his academy. We stole everything. And he's still teaching us. I'm just saying, I still remember the time when I was there in the class. My cheeks shivered, during your lecture. And we were stunned. You are a great teacher, alhamdulillah. We are extremely grateful to the principal of Black Castle. You have joined us along with the vice principal. It's a great honor for us. In your busy schedule, you've been here with your team members. And we do have the honor. We couldn't welcome you the way we should have, but inshallah, you are coming tomorrow again. Thank you very much indeed. Aap sab logon ka bahut bahut shukriya, and I hope that you have enjoyed a lot, you have learned a lot, and you have food for thought. Aaj aap yahan se kuch leke ja rahe hain, and you are going to change your timetable, your daily habits, schedule. When we come tomorrow, inshallah, we shall listen to your schedule, inshallah. Okay, are you going to do that or not? Say inshallah. You have learned business skills and you're going to be an entrepreneur inshallah in the near future. बहुत कुछ आप सीखने जा रहे हैं, सिखाने जा रहे हैं, learn करने जा रहे हैं, and at the end you are going to conquer this world. Okay? So be hungry or hungrier than today. Jazakallah khair. ये मैनेजमेंट का भी शुक्रिया, सर आसिफ आपका भी शुक्रिया, और जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं उनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. एंड प्लीज़ बी रेगुलर. बहुत कुछ हम सीखने जा रहे हैं. जज़ाकल्लाह खैर इंदीद. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.